everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys my Amazon favorite products. I am going to be covering everything from hair to skin to products to clean your house every day in an easy and more efficient way. If you want to see what they are and why they work, then keep watching. So I'm going to tell you guys a little story, but first I want to introduce the products. This is the Garnier Fructis Pure Clean Fortifying Conditioner and Shampoo. They look like this. They are silicone free, paraben free, and it's a vegan formula. No animal derived ingredients or byproducts. So let me tell you guys a little story. I have a lot of hair and my hair is very thick and very long. And I go through shampoo very quickly. But I did notice that with my previous shampoo and conditioner, my hair started shedding and it was a significant amount. So I'm like, I think it has to be the shampoo. So what did I do? I'm like, I have to look for a clean formula for something that can really help my hair. So I got on these products and I absolutely noticed a difference. The only downside with these products are that they're not gonna make your hair shiny, but I'm gonna tell you how to fix that in a minute. My hair feels very clean, and I do have to say that the products are very affordable. By the way, I am going to be linking all of the products that I mentioned down below. I do have an Amazon store. I am also going to be linking it just if you want to just take a look at the catalog that I have made for you guys. Okay, so on to the next product. This is a hair mask. And why do I use a hair mask? You may be wondering, with like chemicals and all that jazz. Well, I don't put this on my scalp. I actually put it from like right a little bit above my neck down, not on the crown area. And here's the thing about this mask. If you guys are familiar with a brand called Kerastase, it is an incredible brand, but it's very pricey. And this is actually a dupe for a product that they sell that also comes in a black packaging, just like this one, but it says Kerastase. And Kerastase and L'Oreal are actually from the same company. So in essence, you're paying a lot less for this product than if you were to buy the Kerastase. And what I love most about it is that you can apply it as a mask or you can use it as a conditioner. It smells delicious, and I do notice that my hair is a lot smoother. So if you want to save yourself money, this is a great buy. The next product that I wanted to share with you guys is by She. This is a Silk Infusion Reconstructing Complex, and it's paraben free and it's made in the United States. Like I said before, yes, it has chemicals, but I don't put this on the crown of my head. I put this from like a little bit above my neck down, and I do notice that it brings a lot of shine to my hair, that it makes it a lot smoother, and that my hair is just silkier. This is something that you can honestly carry in your purse, and you know, if you're not having a very good hair day, this really helps tame down my hair. A lot of times we neglect our body, like we just focus on our face, on our neck, but taking care of the rest of our skin is just as important, and I do this on a daily basis. In my opinion, this is a great scrub because this will not only remove the dead skin cells, but it will also hydrate your skin at the same time. You will notice what I'm telling you when you buy the product and you use it. This is in the scent watermelon, and it literally looks like if there's watermelon inside. I really love the consistency of this product, and this brand is actually very good. This had amazing reviews on Amazon. It contains shea butter, watermelon, and vegan collagen. I use this like 2 to 3 times a week, and I do notice a huge difference in my skin. This product brings a generous amount. This is not a very small product. They have other scents available, but those are very hard to find. They are usually sold out, so if you have any luck, but this one is the one I use, and I highly recommend this scrub. If you've never tried it, you will love it. Moving on, I wanted to share this bombshell right here. This is a 24-hour intense hydrating shea butter and in the scent tropical mango. I like the fact that it's hydrating when you get out of the shower. You put it on your skin. I take hot showers, so I really like to hydrate my skin, and this does an amazing job. I also like the fact that it smells really nice. This is a product that I use when I go to bed, and I use it because I really want to hydrate my skin. It says that it's proven to revitalize, soften, and improve skin hydration all day. In my opinion, the hydration doesn't last all day. However, when you do shower the next day, you will notice that the cream is still on you. But I'm just used to that like glow. And I'm gonna share with you guys the product that I use for that, and that's coming at the very end, so keep watching. If you want to start out with a cream that is lightweight, I would highly recommend this one. You can eventually just work your way up to a more nourishing cream. But if you're first starting out and you're not used to moisturizing, start doing it at night and get this cream because it is just beautiful. I think you are really going to like this if you want to get on the same page as us who moisturize. Now I want to show you guys my holy grail. This is a skincare secret that I'm going to share with you guys. So this cream right here is the Nivea Essentially Enriched 48-hour nourishing moisture. This is a thick cream. If you're not used to moisturizing, this might be a little bit intense for you, but you will notice the difference when you use this product. When you gradually use this cream throughout the week, over a month, you are going to see amazing results. But even after the first use, you are going to see that your skin has a natural glow. So if you want to start with like a natural glow and beautiful, healthy skin, I highly recommend this cream. This specific one, I'm going to be listing it down below for you guys. So you guys have seen here that I like for my house to be clean and organized because I feel that everything is just better. I can accomplish a lot more things because of a system that I have in place in my house. I actually clean my house every day. And for that, I found a way to clean smarter, not harder. So I deep clean my house once a week, but throughout the week, every single day, I actually start, instead of vacuuming, I skipped to these Swiffer heavy duty dry sweeping cloths. And these have been life-changing because they are very easy to use. All you have to do is put them in the Swiffer and you basically just glide them through your floor, underneath the furniture, underneath my bed, in between furniture, and it locks all the dirt in place. The only thing it doesn't lock are crumbs. So anything that has to do with crumbs, it's not gonna lock those things. Like Cheyenne is inside the house, so if he sheds hair, it picks those up. My floors are white, so they are a little bit hard to maintain. But with this product, it is just incredible, and it has made cleaning so easy for me, and I know it would also help you a lot. The last product that I wanted to show you guys are the Swiffer mop. So all you have to do with this product is just basically put it on the mop and then go ahead and just clean the floor. I am able to clean one entire room with one wet cloth, and when I'm done, I just basically throw it out, and that is about it. I haven't had any incidents with Cheyenne. He hasn't had any allergies or anything like that. I really like the fact that they're scented because I want for my house to smell good. And this is great, like if you have, for example, when you're cooking and you drop a little bit of water and then it gets dirty, well, you can just glide this over and it is just going to remove everything for you, which is incredible and a great pro. I really do hope that you love these products, and I am most certain that they are going to have such a positive impact in your everyday routine. I know you are going to love them. They work, just follow my tips. Also, make sure you subscribe so that you can support the channel. I upload twice a week here on YouTube. My content covers beauty, fashion, travel, and lifestyle. Be sure to watch the videos at the end of this video so that you can get an insight into what traveling from all around the world is like. lifestyle videos, I do unboxings, and I have celebrity makeup tutorials. Thank you so much for your time and for your support, and I will catch you on the next video coming on Friday. Bye.